Is that how you say it? Soleil.
Soleil?
Soleil.
Soleil?
Soleil.
You're so silly! Hey, babe!
Oh my goodness, hello!
Sorry.
I think we're wrong, guys.
Sorry. This is why I'm the best person for this job. Listen, this is how I layer my fragrances. Firstly, I wash my clothes in the Luxe.
Of course.
I might start with a vintage vanilla because I like something soulful, earthy.
No, but vanilla, I feel like works with so many different...
It's the best note, I think, to a fragrance
my favourite
layer.
note, yeah, absolutely.
But you know what I find is a step that people forget about when it comes to fragrance layering? A body mist first. A body mist is going to create an amazing base. This is an amazing one.
Do you know
Have you
what?
tried it?
I haven't tried this one. Let me give it a...
This smells like an evening on holiday.
Oh, it's continuous.
It's continuous. That's an evening on holiday.
Oh my gosh.
Do you get what I mean?
It is really nice. This
Sol de
is
Neige.
Soleil Neige.
Hey.
Sol de Neige. Soleil. Is that how you say it? Soleil.
Soleil?
Soleil.
Soleil?
Soleil.
You're so silly. This, I feel like people miss it, and this clings to skin. So somebody like you, who doesn't like to put perfume on the skin, this Tom Ford Soleil Neige is perfect.
I like when, as a woman, you're wearing a fragrance that can be a little bit more masculine in a way.
I actually want to tell you my layering journey.
Okay, talk to me.
This and this together.
I haven't tried this one.
Oh, you're going to absolutely love that.
I'm going to spray
and
this
smell
one
it.
as well. Yeah, this isn't a bit of me. I don't like this one.
Oh, I don't know if you're part of the good taste club.
For me,
Do you get what I
evening on
mean?
holiday would be this one.
Okay, let me smell it.
I love this one.
Okay, so
evening
tell
on
me about
holiday.
this. This is Maison Margiela, right?
Yeah, this is Macy Margiela Never Ending Summer Evening on Holiday. This just reminds me of like being in the hot like evening sun, and then you've got rosé there as well. You've got your
always nice with the rosé.
got your body all on, you're glistening.
Oh, so you've got body all on
holiday.
Okay.
Love this.
Okay, it's English Pear and Fraser.
Yeah,
This is
Jo
one of my...
Malone English Pear and Fraser, phenomenal.
The reason why I love this scent is so clean, it's so ladylike.
Yep.
It goes well with a multitude of outfits.
Yes, and
it's
it
got
works with the
lasting power.
layering.
It works
Yes,
with layering.
it works with the layering.
Another scent that I love to layer on top of that.
Burberry Her.
How do you feel about it? Should we do the combination and you can judge?
I do like, but should we? Because I don't want to. Do we have like some?
No.
Okay.
Spray it on me, spray it on me, spray it on me. Okay, can you already smell those like really fruity, feminine
Oh my
It makes
that works really. No,
I'm telling you,
that works really well.
This is the Good Taste Club.
It's like floral.
Those two together.
These
for
two
an
together
every
work
day
really
is
well.
10 out of 10.
But I only wear my fragrances obviously when I've dressed up, when my clothes are on.
Really?
And I then decide what fragrance I'm wearing
Based on outfit.
Yes, but
Yeah.
also my colour. I know that sounds really strange, but like today where I'm in all black, I have, so on my fragrance wall, it's like colour coordinated. I will go to the black
Babe, you're
row.
taking this deep.
Oh, absolutely, you have to. This is what people smell when they first see you.
So hold on, so if you're wearing black and you've got like power shoulders on.
I'm going
It's
to the
this.
black row, absolutely.
Really?
Yeah.
I can understand how you can associate this with a bit more of a powerful...
Because I think with the packaging of fragrances, it kind of reflects the actual fragrance.
You're right.
Because think about this, for example. This is like a palish pink, and it gives that vibe when
It
you smell
does.
it. So if I'm like wearing, you know, if I'm all girly and I'm wearing like pinks and maybe floral, I mean...
I understand.
Yeah, then I'll go for like... I genuinely do it like a
So let's
colourway.
try this one because I've not tried this, but I've heard girl line fragrances are so nice.
Yes. No, it's getting in my eyes, Mel.
It is. I think that this lives in this world. Do you get what I mean?
Again, the colours.
I'm understanding.
You can tell, yeah.
You know what? I've never dissected fragrance like that, especially because a lot of fragrance houses, like a Jo Malone, they use the same bottle.
But I do think that they're right to do that because a lot of their fragrances are quite everyday, light and airy. When they do use the darker bottles, you're looking like a oud, a bergamot, like
it almost
those
feels
kind
like
of
an
stuff.
extract. Yeah, a bit more of a premium.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So this is what I find like, I always like when I'm pairing, I can tell which ones are going to go just by the colours.
Wow.
So this, I know, this is going to work with more or less everything. It should, but it's not a rule of thumb. So this Jo Malone English Pear Fraser, I would say would work with this.
Okay.
But I'd always do this first because it's more of the lighter everyday, and then I'll deepen it with something like this, or even like the YSL Beauty one.
I'm gonna like
this
that
is
one.
nice.
That's so
I think
nice.
it's very similar
Oh,
to this.
I love that.
But this is the Miu Miu Mutine. That's phenomenal, actually. That's
So,
really good.
in my top 3, I'm definitely doing this because I think everyone needs to have a body spray. We need to start with that. Also, unexpected fave.
That is
really, really good.
Really
I
good.
absolutely love that. And then I'm just thinking, I think this is so good for layering. Amazing for layering. And I think that together, it's making sense. It's harmonious.
I would go
wanna know.
this.
This is really good.
This is definitely my top 3. I love a bit of edge.
Okay.
So this is also my top 3. And I would also go this because we
It's a
have
good layering
memories
scent.
together.
Yeah.
But I do love this.
It's really
though.
good.
It's really nice.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for coming. I've had such a great time with
I'm
you.
glad.
Thank you for teaching me a few things. Now I'm going to remember bottle shape.
Yeah, the colours. The
Making
colours
sense.
makes it
I
so much
never
easier.
thought about that, but it does make sense.
Yeah, definitely.
Thanks for
Easiest
coming.
way. Thank you for having me.